Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp group on iPhone 16e. Once you're in WhatsApp, you can just click on plus, then click on new group. Now add the group members. You can actually add up to 1023 members, so including you it'll be 1024. I'm gonna add only this member, but of course for a group it's better to have more than 2 members. Then click on next. Now you can add the group name and group photo as well. You can enable or disable disappearing messages. So if that's enabled, you can set it to 24 hours, 7 days or 90 days. So the messages on this group chat will disappear after that certain time. You can also set group permissions, like enable members to edit group settings, send messages, or add other members. If you, for example, set it to send messages, then only the admins can send it, so it'll be sort of a receiver group that members can only read it. Sometimes it's useful, of course. And admins, if you set it to approve new members, then everyone who wants to join this group will need to be approved by one of them admins, which you can set later. Of course, you can modify who's the admin and who's not, and the ones that are then they can of course approve the new members. I'm gonna leave the group permissions on default and click on create, and now I have this group. I can just text anything, and then on the other member should see this group in their list. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.